Right guys, I was supposed to get this on Monday or Tuesday, but Apple's delivered this on a Saturday instead. I'm not complaining though, because of course I want to get some content out, especially on my first time experience with the Apple TV 4K. So yeah, this is my first Apple TV, my first experience with tvOS. I'm pretty excited, and so let's delve into the box. So yeah, pretty simple box for the most part. I did get the higher end 128 gig model because I might as well spend the extra and of course future-proof this device. I do plan to use it for many years. And I do also want to mention on the back of the box, there is actually an image of a HomePod. Now that's pretty odd because, as everyone knows, the HomePod has been discontinued. And so why is Apple still including a graphic of that? I'm not sure. Maybe that is a hint the new HomePod's coming pretty soon. There has been rumors regarding that, so maybe that is the case. But yeah, thought I'd mention it. Pretty interesting tidbit. Anyways, we have the same pull tabs as we do on the iPhone boxes. So let's pull these off. Boom. Very nice. And let's get into the box. Shake. Ooh. And there we go. First look at the 4K Apple TV in 2022. Now, of course, I do want to mention, wow, that is tiny. And also it does have some weight to it. I was expecting this to be super light, as some reviewers have said, but that's actually not the case. It is relatively hefty, I can't lie. Anyways, let's put this to the sides and delve into the contents of the box. So we have this cardboard thing, which is cool, I guess. Putting that to the sides, we then have the remote, which, by the way, I've never used this remote, so this is my first impressions on it. Let's take this out of the wrapper first, though. How do you take this out? Oh, there you go. Slide it. Ooh. Oh, that feels good. Okay, wow, that is a very nice remote. So of course, I'm coming from a Samsung TV with a plasticky remote, but this has some heft to it. This feels really premium in the hand. And yeah, I love the buttons, very clicky. Ooh, very, very nice. I'm very happy with this. Yeah, I'm excited to use this. But anyways, I don't think we have anything else in the box. Obviously, Apple has removed the charging cable for the remote, but we should have, if I can take it out. Why is this not coming out? Am I doing something wrong? I'm probably messing something up, but anyways. There we go. We have the charging cable for the actual box. Let's take this out because I need it. Why is everything so tight in here? Like, everything is struggling to come out. Anyways, we have the wire for the actual box. That's pretty cool. No HDMI, which I'll be honest, I do find pretty odd because, you know, every streaming box and every TV comes with HDMI cables in the actual box. You do need one in the first place. And so yeah, why not include one, Apple? It would be nice. I don't care about this not getting a charging cable, but a HDMI cable is needed. So hopefully in the future Apple can include it. But knowing Apple, they're more likely to remove things from the box than actually include more things. Anyways, we do have one more pamphlet in here. I think it's a starter guide for the Apple TV, which we'll take a look at right now because honestly, I have never used or interacted with an Apple TV, so this is all new to me. And let's see the contents. Oh, that's it. Okay. So it just has, you know, the controls and the ports on the back of the device and also connecting it. I'm actually not sure how I'm going to set this up on camera, but hopefully in the next shot I do show you guys the setup process. Actually, before I do that, let's take the wrappers off the box. So quiet please. Ooh. That was a very quiet peel, but I can't lie, very satisfying as well. Very good peel, Apple. Now, I do want to mention the one on the bottom I'll leave because I do want to protect it, but I'm not a fan of this glossy finish, if I'm being honest. I would prefer it being matte like it is on the top, but it is a box you're rarely going to be touching, so I guess it's not a massive issue. But anyways, we have the ports on the back of the device. Obviously, if you get the base model, you don't have the Ethernet ports, but apart from that, it's basically the same. Right, so we have a different setup here, so bear with me, but I want to show you guys how the setup process is with the Apple TV 4K, because again, this is my first experience with tvOS, so let's see how it is for a beginner like myself. And I do want to mention, by the way, the screensavers are very nice, but anyways, hopefully you can see this. Let's begin. So I'm guessing you press... Oh, okay, so it shows you, I think. So English. We're going... Oh, thank you, UK. Data and privacy. Obviously, Apple's... Okay, do you want to change your display? Yeah, okay, why not? Change content. And now it's just went black. Oh, okay, so you can swipe... Oh, okay, that's really nice. Like that. Cool. Yes, picture's clear. Well, no, what? Oh, okay, no, I messed up there. Okay, you know what? We'll just leave it on the previous format for now. Okay, I can see there is a bit of an issue with the swiping thing here. I might just stick to the buttons. But anyways, it's fine. Okay, so we can get the iPhone out. So is it going to work like AirPods? So here is my iPhone. Hopefully something comes up. Yep, there we go. So the Apple TV, set it up. Hopefully you can see this on camera. We'll put the authentication number in. Is that it? Is that how simple this is? Wow, okay. Oh, okay, so it's already setting up Wi-Fi from the Wi-Fi on my iPhone. That's sick. Yeah, let's see how long this takes, but I'm kind of surprised it's this simple. So while the Apple TV is doing its thing, I do want to say the remote is fantastic. I already like it. I will say the swipe gestures are something I need to get used to, but I do like the buttons for the most part. They are very clicky, and this just feels very premium in the hands compared to the plastic remotes I've been using for years. Okay, so the setup failed. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what's going on there. So the setup failed. It says hopefully you can see this, 301003. So yeah, let me set up again. First impressions aren't great, but hopefully it works this time. If it doesn't, then I'll talk to Apple support or try and fix my network off camera, and then I'll give you guys my first impressions. For those, by the way, who've already used Apple TVs, how long does it... Oh, okay. Oh, it says setting up iCloud. Okay, I think we're getting some progress. Ooh. I was gonna say, how long does this usually take? Because I'm assuming it's usually pretty quick, but for some reason, it had some issues. Oh, okay, setting up security. I think it's doing things. Oh, finally. Okay. Yes! Okay. Use remote on iPhone. Okay, so I've got to use the remote here, I think. So done. Okay, so this is the remote on the... Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. So, never require. I don't need passwords. It's fine. So transfer settings from my iPhone. Yeah, that's fine. So continue. Now we'll do that later. This is going to be... Where? Living room. There we go. Yeah, I like this. Okay, so automatically download. Don't send. There we go. Agree. And boom, we are in. This is tvOS. Already, I have to say, guys, this is way faster than my Samsung TV. That is awfully sluggish. This is super fast. I do like it already. Obviously, actually, how do you download apps on this? Let's go to the App Store. So continue. Okay, so we have, I need Netflix and Prime Video and YouTube, all the usual apps. So why don't we download one of these and see how it is? Let's do Prime Video. Wow, 3.3 stars. Also, that downloaded really quickly. But anyways, 3.3 stars is awful. Also, I do want to mention the remote. Very good on the iPhone. I can't lie. I kind of prefer this. It's more convenient. But anyways, let's open this, see how it is. Oh, I have to log in it. Yeah, actually, you know what? No. Actually, how do you leave an app? Is there like a home button? I'm guessing this. Oh, this is an Apple TV button. Interesting. Okay. So, oh, no. Copyright. No, stop. Okay. There's a back button. Okay, cool. Okay. First impressions of tvOS so far. I do like how smooth it is. Very fast. I get 3 months of some service. I just saw. Ooh, Apple Arcade. You know what? Okay. Considering this has an A15, I might as well try that out. So I will be testing that. But yeah, for the most part, guys, I'm very happy with it so far. It's very solid. Yeah, I'll let you guys know if I have any further thoughts, but I think that's about it. In which case, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And on that note, see ya, peeps.